Hello, today I'll walk you through the essential process of connecting your Google Sheet directly to your chatbot or AI agent. This connection allows your bot to read and write data. Let's start by navigating to the connection settings. Click here. Select the MCP server option. Choose Google Sheet. First, we need to give this connection a descriptive name. You can skip the description. The crucial next step is to obtain and upload the service account file. But how do we generate this file? You need to open the Google Cloud Console. Select your existing project. If you don't have one, simply click New Project and follow the steps to create it. Once the project is created, navigate to the Library section. In the search bar, look for Google Sheets. You must enable the Google Sheets API. Click Enable if it's not already active. Next, go to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. I'll define a role. It's best to use owner or a custom role with sheet permissions. Now, click on the service account. Select that key. Then, choose Create New Key. I'm using the JSON format. Now I have successfully generated the service account file. The file is downloaded to my system. Now let's return to our platform. I will upload the JSON service account file here. The access token is automatically generated. Now we just need the Google Sheets unique URL and the specific sheet name. Let's open the target Google Sheet. Copy the full URL from your browser and paste it here, followed by the specific tab name, sheet name. Click Add to finalize the connection. Success. The MCP Google Sheet connection is now active. For demonstration purposes, I've added a dummy URL to the sheet. As you can see, the connection is now working and fetching data correctly. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.